What's up, traders? So I wanted to go over my daily review from Monday, 30th of September, 2024, the last trading day of Q3, right? But before we get into it, this review is sponsored by Hydro Funding. The link to their website is down below, as you can see, and in my bio. So go check them out. I really do like, as I said in previous videos, their one-step max plan. I'm busy running one at the moment. So let's get right into the video. Right. So as you can see up on the day here, trading the NASDAQ off the lows, across all my accounts, 14 winning trades, total trades, and 11 of those winners, 3 losers, up just under $700 across the day. So what was my game plan coming into the trading session, right? So keeping it small. Anthony Crudeli has got a saying, big, small, or not at all, right? So we were looking at between the VWAPs, and we'll get into the trades right now. We're between VWAPs. No real direction placed today. I just wanted to keep it light and tight, right? So we'll go over my trades here at the moment. I really did think I missed the Dow position long, but as you can see, my end of day review, I actually had learning to read, when to play big, when to play small, when to play not at all is going to be my next big step and something that I really need to improve on in my own trading myself. All right, so let's go over my trades. First trade, I tried to average in here, try to get in. At the daily VWAP, this is also the red 21. I really liked it. We had taken our previous day's lows, but no follow through really. On the open, we had a bullish open. This is the 5-minute chart on the NASDAQ, and trying to get these longs back up towards the opening range high. As you can see, we get a bounce off the low of day, and I got back in on the 5-minute closure, looking to take it up higher, and that's what we actually end up getting, right? So those are my 2 trades this day. I took a first initial loss. And then I look to get back in and, always got to bounce back with it when it always feels good. So keeping it small kept me in the game and allowed me to end positive, as you can see on the day. The trade that I really did like was 2 of them, actually. One on the Dow after the open. We had a bearish, open on the Dow. On the New York Open is at 3:30 South African time. We had a bearish open. And playing these longs off here were my play of the day, but I really did like these NASDAQ longs to end the day over here off the initial balance lows as well. We tried to move lower, couldn't. We get a flush out and then back up towards the highs. So Crudeli actually did speak about this, looking for the last hour move of the day, end of the quarter. So that was my day on the Monday, just knowing when to play big, small, or not at all. That is my quote of the day, lesson of the day. But yeah, a good start to the Monday, and I hope you guys enjoy these reviews, and we'll see you for the next one.